let us solve some problems based on playing with numbers and exclusively based on the LCM and as well as HCF, right? Let us check out here. Right here in this particular problem, we are supposed to find the LCM of 12, 18 and as well as 24. You know what exactly LCM is? LCM is lowest common multiple. That we need to find out. So to do that, what we can do? So use the division method. 12, 18 and as well as 24. Start by 2. I'll start. That is going to be 2 6s, 2 9s, then 2 12s. Right. So now what I can do, I can go with the 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are. So further I can go with 2, right? 2 1s are, right? 3 I can't divide, 2 2s are. So this is what further division is not possible. So now if you multiply these things, you are going to get the LCM. That is going to be 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2s are there here, 1 2 3 and as well as 2 3s are there. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 8 9s are 72. So the LCM of 12, 18 and 24 is 72. Option A is the right one.